everybody, I am here at Kobey's. Bobby is driving. We are going to give all your super chat money for Khalif's tires to him today. I'm super excited. Bobby, are you excited? I'm only showing your ear.
Yes.
I'm excited to be back at Kobey's and hopefully we'll find some good stuff. Khalif has a really cool dresser that I'm looking forward to picking up, so we have room in the car for that, and then whatever else we can fit around it while Bobby maneuvers my car into the parking space. Bobby, how you feel? You have are you looking for some?
Semi-excited. I'm excited to be around all these people.
Yeah, Bobby's very precautious. All right, we're going in. I'll turn the camera around when I get in. Bobby's got his mask on. I'm gonna put on mine. There he is. Oh, look, you can see him with his mask. Bobby, what do you have to say? My DIY A-Go-Go shoes. My cart is empty. I've got my flea market bag. Let's see what we can find.
Hey everyone, I'm here in Texas, so I'm missing Debbie and Stephanie and Ellie today for our Friday live sale and our Friday junking day at the swap meet. But here I am with my baby, Savannah. 27. Oh, I'm got you out the window. Okay. Woo! Hi. And my Henry. And here we are, Fridays at Third Mondays Trade Days, McKinney, Texas. So it's gonna be so exciting. I so can't wait to show you what they have here.
Melissa was shopping in Canton, Texas, while we were shopping at Kobey's. Can you tell which is where? Tune in this Friday at 2 PST. Melissa is bringing a bunch of things back from Texas, and we will be selling our Kobey's finds again live on my YouTube channel. These are the measuring tapes that sold last week, but there's more. Melissa was shopping in Texas. Bobby and I made our way to Khalif's booth to give him the money that you contributed for his tire fund. We told you how his tires were slashed, and you all just started contributing money without us even asking you. This happened right after a very hard week. I had been very discouraged by the sad news and the divide that seems to be taking place in our country. Your kindness gave me hope, and it brightened my day just as much as it brightened Khalif's.
Gonna find out how much this is for sure. I am here to give Khalif all of the money that you donated so he could get a new pair of tires. And he agreed to let us film him, so he's going to open it up and see your name. I wrote all your names down. So he's going to open the book and say something.
Hey, Don. I want to say thank you to everyone. You guys made me cry happy tears. Like, let me stop. Pause. Can we redo it.
She'll edit it.
Thank you guys, really, thank you. Like it means so much to me. Like the emotional support, the financial support, all of it. I mean, it touched me in many ways. I watched the video like 3 times. Everyone. It was.
Love you.
I'm gonna write a book about it. I mean, for real, it was powerful. Oh wow! Look at that.
Whoa.
I wouldn't say everyone's leaving right now, but I know I would jack it up.
I'm gonna post in my video everybody's name.
Thank you.
If there was ever a reason to break the social distancing, that is it.
That's pretty safe.
Oh my gosh. I'm rich. No, I'm kidding.
At least you can replace those tires.
Hey, this is Gary. He owns this cool little soda shop here.
Yeah, it's all homemade.
Awesome.
Homemade root beer, sarsaparilla, cream soda.
How long have you been doing this?
About 15 years.
15 years. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
It is amazing. I love
you.
it.
All of Khalif's good stuff. Look at, like, you seriously, this is why he's one of my favorite vendors. His prices are great. Look at all of these baskets. Look at this one. And all of these. Look at the trays. Oh my goodness. And these metal baskets. So I really want to buy this yellow dresser, but he's not letting me pay for it. And that's not right. Like, I'm here to support small business, so I don't know. He already gave me a dresser and I don't know what I'm gonna do. So I don't know. I feel like I should leave it here so he can get the money for it if he's not gonna let me pay for it. And look at this. I also love this. This is awesome.
Look at all this stuff. Marbles. Look at all this stuff. The warning wire. And this big steering wheel. Check it out, Ellie. Yo ho, yo ho. There's that for me. Look at that. Okay. And oh, the little chicken feeder. Tonka dump truck. $22. Good vintage deal. Look at this little thing. And the old crates. The old cement tools.
This is Mike's space. If you guys have seen the artwork in my bedroom, the blue floral print, I got it from Mike. He has a great eye for art.
Look out these bread bowls. The dough bowls. They are amazing. And the pour bowls. It's out. A lampshade that is all, look, check it out. Something like Melanie Mel would make. So awesome. Who doesn't love a rolling pin? Let's make pie.
On Monday, we went live again and you donated more money to Khalif's Tire Fund. You guys have donated almost $1,000. So I am down here to give him round 2 of the money that you donated. I'm here, so I might as well shop. I'm gonna film it. I'm gonna get Khalif on camera. I started a Facebook page for him today, a business page, so I wanna get a picture of him. I'm gonna set it up for him and then give him the password and let him take it over. I am so excited to be back. I love you guys. I am so blessed to be surrounded by such amazing people. So thank you, thank you. I'm gonna go talk to Khalif now and see what I can find.
I don't know. I gotta be normal, but I can't seem to do it when...
You're doing great. You're doing
I
great.
don't know. Can we do 11? I need it. I need laundry money. So who does this look like, you guys? Who does it look like?
Khalif says it looks like me, and it's a gift that he gave me. He saw this and thought of me, so I'm hoping that that's a compliment.
And I hope it is a compliment. And whoever made this,
it's
nice
beautiful.
work.
Yeah, it's handmade, and it's a much better mask than the mask we have to wear.
it looks like her, you guys, right? Because the glasses.
Yeah, the glasses. Khalif just had a great point about spreading love, that it can be contagious. Will you just say that one more time, and then I'll let you get to your...
I said, attitudes like love is contagious, just like negative is contagious. So we have to keep spreading the love versus the negative.
Yes.
Because it's always going to win, you know?
Love is gonna win.
Yeah, we got to be love warriors.
Yes, love warriors. I love that.
Yeah. Oh, I wanted to also say a shout out to the shipwreck crew. I feel like I'm in it. I feel like I'm the part of the shipwreck crew. Even though I know I'm not really social media like I love how you guys do your thing and teaching and all that.
Awesome. Well, we are.
I have so much more to say, but
He's
I
got
don't know.
customers.
I don't know. No, it's just my mind, my heart is all.
Remember the beautiful yellow dresser earlier in this video? Khalif gifted that dresser to me as a thank you. I would like to continue the wise words from my friend Khalif to spread love, so I will be painting this dresser in my next video and giving it away to one of you. Stay tuned this weekend to win this dresser or to take part in the Spread Love movement, which began with my friend Dion from the Turquoise Iris and continues through Khalif. Thanks for watching. Click the link below to follow Khalif King on Facebook, or to find out more about DIY paint, or to find a retailer near you. The link is below.